Well, hello there, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. It's T-Mike. It's Christmas again. Got another package in the mail. And today, I got my partner in crime here. It says my nephew's son, 9-year-old Trenton.
Hello.
Trenton's spending a week with us here at the lake. And we're doing all kind of stuff. We're catching fish. He caught his first fish yesterday. Here's a little video of it. That was awesome. And he also had fun on the slip and slide this morning. Here's a little video of him. On the slip and slide. So now he decided he wants to be in the video and help me with the T-Mike Vintage Outboard repair job. So we're going to do a mail-in repair. This package was sent to me from Nashville, Michigan by Kevin. Kevin sent me, if I remember right, Kevin sent me a carburetor and a magneto for his 9.5. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, he sent a return shipping label. Oh, he sent me some moolah and a little note. I think it's his grandfather's motor. So here is the carburetor. Yep, that's a 9.5 carburetor. Just test and rebuild it. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be the magneto. Yep. Yep, he's got some tape on it, top and bottom. So Trenton and I are going to take these two components and we're going to rebuild them, and we're going to put them on my 9.5 test motor, and we're going to make them run. All right, Trenton, point at everybody and say, here we go.
Here we go.
All right, so here's my 9.5s. There's the test motor for T and K for Kevin's car. Here's my 9.5 test motor. We're gonna slip Kevin's on right here, and Trenton and I are gonna give it a test run, see if it works or not. And I got Kevin's carburetor on my test motor. Let's see how it starts. It won't start at all. So I'm gonna take some gas and I'm gonna spray it up the throat here with my pop bottle. And I'm going to see if it starts. Well, it starts, but it dies. I don't know. What do you think?
You gotta clean the carburetor.
Oh, he's right. I gotta clean the carburetor. It starts when I spray up the throat, but it won't keep running, so the fuel is not getting through the carburetor, only when I force it. So Trenton is right. I gotta clean the carburetor. We're gonna do that now and then come back out and test. Okay, here's Kevin's carb. I got my carb cleaner, my chem dip right here. I'm gonna take this apart, soak it, take it out, and rebuild it with this kit that I sell. Part number 0382048 is the carb kit for it. All right, so let's do the take apart now and set her into clean. These two plugs need to come out so the cleaner can get in there and clean all the jets. So I have a little tool here to knock them out. Okay, we're gonna let that soak for 45 minutes. Take it out, clean it in soap and water, blow it out with air, and rebuild it with this carb kit. I'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 minutes, so let's put this carburetor back together. Got the two plugs put back in, the cleaning plugs put back in. Got the drain plug put back on. Got the new main jet put back on. The new float put back on. It's not quite level, it's not quite parallel. I like that better. That's how it goes. Got the new gasket. Got all 4 screws putting the body together. Put the retaining clip. Retaining clip on that holds the choke knob. I got the idle knob on, screwed it all the way in, and then backed off 1.5 right there. Okay, I got my gasket, the bottom gasket, and the carb is completely rebuilt. Let's take it outside and see if it'll run. Hey, I got Kevin's carburetor mounted on my 9.5. There's the K on it. Let's plug the fuel to it and see if it'll start. All right, got the carburetor clean. Remember, Trenton told me the carburetor needed to be clean.
Yeah.
What do you think, Trenton? Think it's going to start?
Yeah.
He does. Trenton thinks it's going to start. Let's give it a shot. just fine. Trenton was right. He makes a pretty good outboard motor mechanic someday, I think.
I predict
So that's the end of part 1, fixing the carb. Now we're going to get the magneto fixed for Kevin. But it works on my test motor. Magneto's coming on here next. So that's the end of part 1. So remember, always remember, never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.